Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to force restart Android phone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, tap on power button and volume down button, then tap and press. Okay, then option is restart, just normally press, phone is restart. Okay, then back, then scroll down. Okay, then this option power button, just click, then option is restart option, then power off, emergency call, medical info, go back. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.